Alright, so I've been waiting on these parts to come in and they're finally here. So, you know how some people get excited about cell phones, I get excited about a lot about new parts so I can do some new stuff. So let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll try to do this with one hand while I'm holding this camera here. That went off the screen a little bit. Never tried to open something with one hand before. Oh, gotta get up. Alrighty, let's see now. Alright, so here they are. They're actually in a bag. I'm going to go ahead and open that bag up so you can actually see what they are. I guess you can also look at the invoice here. Let's see. So they're these SN754410NE. There are two of them that I ordered from Texas Instrument. And if you look that up, you'll notice that it's actually some parts to drive some stepper motors that I have, and I've been waiting for them to do a project. Oh, this is a little bit tough. Waiting for them to do a project with my Arduinos. So that's them inside of the bag. Let's go ahead and open them up and put them out here on a table. I'm sorry for all the shaking. I've actually never done this before with one hand. Normally, of course, I open with two, but I'm actually videoing. Alright, so that's one of them. Come on now. Let's take a closer look here at it. I don't know if my camera will focus. I was hoping that it would focus, autofocus on the words, but it looks like it's going to be a little bit tough for it to do that. But either way though, you saw what the parts are. And so in the upcoming weeks, I'm going to use them to drive some stepper motors, like I said, and do a little bit of a robotics. I wouldn't say robotics, but we could go ahead and say robotics type project with my Arduino, and I'll actually kind of let you all see it as I'm actually doing it. I'll probably start off first by just getting acquainted with this and merging it or integrating it with a circuit with the Arduino. But again, they finally came in, so yeah, it's going to be a whole lot of fun working with them.